Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate the expression 1 divided by 1 plus square root of x plus 2 plus 1 divided by 1 minus square root of x plus 2 when x equals 2 plus square root of 3. So before we evaluate and substitute for our x, let's simplify our expression. And what we're going to do is get our common denominator for both of these and multiply them together. So basically that's going to be 1 plus square root of x plus 2 times 1 minus square root of x plus 2. Now to do this, to get our numerator, you're going to cross these up here. So this is going to be 1 minus square root of x plus 2. Then we have this plus, so plus 1, and then you're going to write this one. 1 plus square root of x plus 2. All right, so it looks like our numerator, these two are going to cancel out. So we get 2. Now our denominator has this form of a plus b times a minus b. So that's this form here, our difference of squares, which is going to be a squared minus b squared, where our a equals 1 and our b equals square root of x plus 2. So just substituting that in, this is going to be a is 1, so that's 1 squared, put a minus, and then you're going to square this, b squared. So that's just going to be 1 minus x plus 2. So this is going to give you 2 divided by, and it's going to be 1 minus x minus 2, which equals 2 divided by negative x minus 1. And what I can do before we move on and evaluate with x or use substitution, I can rewrite this and pull out a negative. So if I have 2 divided by negative x minus 1, and if I multiply my numerator and my denominator by negative 1, this is going to give me 2 divided by x plus 1. All right, there's going to be negative 2. So it's just changing the negative 2 up there. All right, now let's go ahead and substitute everything in. We have negative 2 divided by x plus 1. So substitute in your x here. This is give you negative 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 3 plus 1. This equals negative 2 divided by 3 plus square root of 3. Now we have to simplify. You can't have a radical in the denominator if you want to simplify all the way. So we're going to use this difference of squares here and rationalize the denominator by multiplying it by 3 minus square root of 3. But you also have to multiply the numerator by 3 minus square root of 3. So again, we have this form a plus b times a minus b, and that gives you a squared minus b squared. All right, so for our numerator, you just distribute this. This is going to be negative 6 plus 2 square root of 3. And our denominator is pretty easy. You just square your 3. So that's going to be 9 plus 3. This is going to, or minus, sorry, 9 minus 3. So this is going to give you negative 6. This is 6. So negative 6 divided by 6 plus 2 divided by 6 square root of 3. This simplifies to negative 1 plus square root of 3 divided by 3. And this is a good answer. If you want, you could also write this with the same denominator, negative 3 plus square root of 3 divided by 3, if you want to do it that way as well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.